smell like burning hair? That's my beard.
I kind of smell like a barbecue hamburger or something.
Finally used the $1,500 welder I've never used.
Dude, it looks good. Wow, it doesn't look like I welded it at all. I'm getting better with experience. Well, we've been doing pretty good. Making some pretty good time. Starting to get a little warm out. And we decided the VIP of the trip is the welder. What's happening here, dude? Oh yeah, look at that.
Didn't weld it very well.
Do you want me to do it this time?
I'm like, wow, something's coming out of the picture.
I forgot. What did you say the rate was out in the desert for welding?
Same as the 20-mile tow.
Justin's growing too.
Did you see how much shit's in the bottom of James's car?
I saw it blew out the other day.
Look at that one-handed. He's not even trying right now.
He's the welder.
Welder man.
Yeah.
I might have to put a cape on him.
You gotta put a cape on Karnage. They're the ones that save the day.
Yeah, there we go. A commercial. Karnage. I need one of these.
They'll get you a lot of views.
Yeah, it's so many views. Like 100 people. You cackling about back there, dude?
How come when I laugh it's a cackle?
Have you heard it?